I have sneeze. Achoo!
Rosie and Daisy, it's time to go school. Almost to fall break. So.
Good. Morning, Dad.
Huh. Rosie and Daisy, what's wrong?
I have fever.
And I have achoo sneeze.
Oh, okay. Put this temperature on your mouth, okay, Rosie?
Okay.
Alright, let me see. Oh my God! You should not go in school today. Because your temperature is 109.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay in the bed, okay?
Oh? K.
And here's your paper for sneeze.
Thank you.
Okay? See you later.
Three days later.
Alright, I'm now okay and I'm not fever anymore. I'm to school now.
Yeah!
Subscribe, like, comment. Find in the cake video.